In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Soul Reaper title here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to go ahead and do is make your way over to any of these teleporters, interact with them, and you need to teleport over to Boss Island. Once you're at Boss Island, walk over to this NPC for the Boss Summoner, interact with them, and you need to spawn in the Soul Reaper boss. Now, once you go ahead and do it, the boss is going to spawn right here, and actually, I think it would be kind of interesting if I try and take it out with his own sword. But essentially what you need to do is farm this boss over and over and over and over and over again. It does take a little bit of time in order to go ahead and farm. So make sure that you are doing this as much as possible. And you can turn on auto spawns and everything if you need. But this is essentially the boss that you need to go ahead and continue grinding. After you do defeat it, the title is considered a random drop. Now there's a pity for it as well, and I'll show you that in a sec. You can actually check this simply by opening up the title page itself by your inventory titles, and then if you scroll down on here until you find Soul Reaper on here, you can go ahead and check to see how much more times you have to defeat this guy. For example, 135 times is the guaranteed way, but that is the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.